Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course. This course is perfect for entrepreneurs who are raising capital for the first time or have struggled in previous attempts. It helps them understand how investors think, craft a professional pitch, and build effective communication with VCs. It also provides practical tools, examples, and frameworks to help them confidently manage their fundraising process. The course has a rating of 5 stars and over 1,000 students, making it a successful program. Currently, it's available on Udemy for around €40 with a discount. By purchasing it, you'll have full access and benefit from future updates. The course duration is 3 hours and includes 2 related articles. You will learn how VCs evaluate startups and what they look for before investing. Build a compelling pitch deck that clearly communicates your story and vision. Create a targeted investor list aligned with your stage, sector, and goals. Master cold email and LinkedIn outreach strategies that get investor responses. Confidently navigate investor meetings, tough questions, and follow-ups. Track your fundraising process using proven tools and systems, and much more. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to give you free and legal access to this valuable course. To see how that works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then, open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com on Google. Click on the link shown in the search results. Make sure the website address matches the one mentioned here, and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking, you will arrive at the homepage. On this site, you can access many discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find your desired course. Now you'll see the course listed there. Scroll down and click on the button that says, Go to the course. The course will now be available to you for free. Note that the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you now have legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and share with your friends.